I talk about Korean skincare, Korean fashion, Korean beauty, Korean food, K-drama, and you know how much we love Korean skincare on this channel. I did my first Korean skincare haul at the beginning of the year, and after that I did so many Korean skincare videos. Today I'm doing a huge Korean skincare haul from YesStyle. I ordered so much products from YesStyle after my first order, and I never did a YouTube video showing you everything that I got. So today I am compiling all my YesStyle orders from the beginning of the year until now. I do have a YesStyle code. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now, so make sure to use it to enjoy extra discounts. Let's do a recap of all my YesStyle orders. My first ever YesStyle order was on January 6th, shipped on February 7th, and received it February the 23rd. I did a video showing you everything that I got for my first YesStyle order, so make sure to go watch this video. After that, I did a collaboration with YesStyle for a campaign, Dress Like a K-pop Star. My first ever collaboration, so go watch this video. And I received some products with my order. I was super excited because it was popular products that I wanted to try, and I felt so blessed and grateful. I ordered it on April the 24th, shipped on April the 28th, and received it May 6th. So I got this duo. I got the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Moisture Airyfit Sunscreen. It's SPF 50+, PA 4+. It's a chemical sunscreen, so it won't leave a white cast on your face, and I can approve that it doesn't leave a white cast. As you can see, I finished it because I love it. I seriously love this sunscreen and I want a lifetime supply. Haruharu Wonder, please. With that, I got the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner, fragrance-free mini. I also already used it and I like it. Next, I placed an order on April 29th, shipped on May 2nd, and received it on May 13th. I got the popular XSY Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. I've seen this everywhere and I wanted to get it for my dark spots. I already used it and I noticed some improvements with my skin texture, and it made my skin super glowy. To go with that, I got the viral popular XSY Vegan Collagen Eye Serum. These two are actually called the Glass Skin Duo, and as you can see, I finished it. Next, I got the Sun by Me Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. I've seen this everywhere and I always wanted to get it, and I finally got it. It's a mild but effective glass skin serum. It's perfect if you're a beginner at retinol. I really like it. And I received two YesStyle gifts. I received a sample of the XSY PHA Resurfing Glow Peel, and I received the viral Mixun Bean Essence. I screamed when I saw that I got this because it was so popular and viral. I tried it and it's definitely interesting. I like using it to exfoliate my skin. After that, I placed an order on June 14th, shipped on June 16th, and received it on June 26th. So I got the Anwar Hot Leaf Cleansing Oil. This is the mini version and this is the full-size bottle. I tried the mini version, I fell in love with it, so I decided to get the big bottle. This is 20 milliliter and this is 200 milliliter. I'm so excited. I love this cleansing oil so much. Same for the Anwar Soothing Toner. This toner is the love of my life. That is huge! This toner was viral for a reason. I love this toner so much. This is actually my top 3 favorite toners that I have right now. This is the mini version of the Anwar Hot Leaf Toner. I still have some, even though I've been using this quite a while and I loved it so much. Look at the difference between the two. This is 40 milliliter and this is 250 milliliters. I'm so excited. I love this toner. I actually did a video trying Korean skincare for the first time, so go watch this video because I used the first Korean skincare that I bought from YesStyle. I actually placed this order for these two products and I received a sample of the XSY Panthenol 10 Skin Smoothing Shield Cream Skin Barrier Improvement Deep Hydration. This cream is supposed to boost the skin's moisture barrier, and I claimed a free sponsored product. When you're a YesStyle influencer, you get to choose between 3 sponsored products. I think it changes every month. You choose one, and when you receive it, you have to create content, post, and share the link with YesStyle. And so I chose the Sun by Me Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. Yes, I already have it and I love it, so I decided to get it again. Next, I did a collaboration with YesStyle for a campaign, the ultimate affordable Korean skincare set. The video is already uploaded on my channel, so make sure to go watch it. I was selected on June 24th and received my package on July 8th. So I got the Dewy Tree High Amino All Cleansing Milk. It's a cleansing milk that helps remove makeup, sebum, and impurities without stripping the skin, and I use it to remove my makeup. Next, I got the Rovectin Clean Lotus Water Calming Toner. I love this toner, you guys. I've been using this toner for the past, I think, 2 to 3 weeks, and I use it every morning, every night. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It deeply moisturizes the skin. It's lightweight, and it gives the skin a glowy, radiant look throughout the day. This changed my skin. This is the key step in my skincare routine, and this is also a top 3 favorite toner. I would put it in the first place with the On-One toner because this is so good. I love it so much. I want a lifetime supply of this toner. Next, I got the Dr. Surical Vegan Niacin and Rice Ampule. It's a vegan ampule that helps even out the skin tone to achieve a clear and smooth skin. It gently exfoliates the skin, and it also boosts skin elasticity to create a radiant and healthy complexion. It has a creamy milk type texture to moisturize the skin. I love the texture. It really moisturizes my skin and makes my skin so radiant. And I got the Abib Collagen Gel Mask Set Jericho Rose Jelly, a box of 10. One mask contains vegan collagen extract to enhance skin elasticity. The ingredients in this mask counteract cellular aging and prevent dehydration. This is a high quality mask. Everyone must try it. The collagen really helps plump and firm the skin, making it super juicy and revitalized. Okay, so this was a recap of all the products that I've ordered so far. And now, this is all the YesStyle packages that I have, and we're unboxing together. I'm so excited! So I placed this order on July 16th, shipped on July 18th, and received it August 1st. I'm seriously so excited about this specific order because I got so many products. Oh my god! Guys, oh my god! I am seriously so excited to show you everything that I've got. These are products that I wanted to try for the longest time. Oh my god, everything fits in this bubble wrap. I got the Numbers In number 2 protein 43% creamy serum. I wanted to get Numbers In products for a while now, and I finally got it. It's supposed to tighten the skin by filling it with nutritious protein. It has oat protein, rice protein, sweet almond protein, sweet corn protein, vegetable protein, pea protein, milk soybean protein, lupine protein, and soy protein. People swear by Numbers In products, so I can't wait to try it. And I got another Numbers In product. It's the number 3 Super Glowing Essence Toner. Just by the name of the product, you know it's promising. It has 50 types of fermented ingredients to brighten, firm up dull, tired skin, and it reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I love toners, so I am so excited to try this. I got the popular Beauty of Your Sun Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics. I ran out of my other sunscreen, as you saw, so I wanted to try new sunscreen. It's SPF 50+, PA4+. It's a chemical sunscreen, so it won't leave a white cast, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. It's so cute! Next, I got another sunscreen to try. It's the Purito Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen 2024 version Mini. Purito is so popular, and I've always wanted to try their products. It's SPF 50+, PA4+. It's infused with 5 types of ceramides to strengthen the skin barrier and protect it from external stressors. The next sunscreen I got is the Isntree Hyaluronic Watery Sun Gel Mini. I've seen their products everywhere. It's SPF 50+, PA4+. It contains hyaluronic acid to moisturize the skin, astaxanthin to improve skin elasticity, and ceramide to replenish moisture in the skin. I got another sunscreen from Isntree. It's the Onion New Pair Sunscreen Mini. I've seen this sunscreen everywhere. It's SPF 40, PA3+. It's enriched with 5% red onion extract, and it's supposed to help reduce and enthuse reduce the blemishes while evening the skin tone. The star of this haul is this product. Look at this packaging. This product is so viral and I'm happy that I finally got my hands on it. It's a concentrated ampule formulated with Centella asiatica extract and hyaluronic acid that minimizes pores and improves skin texture, softens rough skin, and refines uneven skin texture, improves skin density and blood circulation. Out of all the products, I am the most excited to try this one. To go with that, I got the VT Riddle Shot Cleanser. It was recommended to use this cleanser before using the VT Riddle Shot. This cleanser removes impurities accumulated in the pores and gently dissolves dead skin cells to make the skin smoother and softer. I am so excited to try these two products. Tear was so popular for the past months and I finally have some of the products to try. First, I got the Tear Mask Fit Red Cushion 6-shade trial kit. It has 5 colors in medium from 25N to 31N. Mask Shield enriched coverage. I want to purchase that cushion foundation in the future, that's for sure. And I wanted to find my perfect match before, so I got this. So convenient. And as a YesStyle gift, because I purchased something from Tear, I received the Tear Milk Skin Toner Light trial size. I always wanted to try the products, especially this toner. The benefits are acne fighting, pore tightening, anti-aging, and wound healing. I placed another order on the same day, July 16th, shipped on July 17th, and received it July 31st. I actually won a product. My first time winning a product by participating in a YesStyle giveaway. So I won the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampule Foam. It contains 84% of Centella asiatica extract to soothe, moisturize irritated skin, and it's formulated with baking soda to deep cleanse pores and remove skin impurities. And I was able to select sponsored products, so I chose the Mixun Bundle Bean Sun Stick and Saika Hyal Sun Stick set. The Mixun Bean Sun Stick is a chemical sun stick that helps protect skin from UV damage with SPF 50+, PA4+. It's infused with various plant-based fermented ingredients for skin conditioning and exfoliating benefit. The Mixun Saika Hyal Sun Stick is SPF 50+, PA4+, and it's packed with 3 types of hyaluronic acid as well as Saika extract to keep skin soothed and hydrated. A few days later, I was selected for a YesStyle back-to-school campaign, so I had to pick out some items. It's this huge package right here. The video is actually already uploaded on my channel, so make sure to go watch it to see what I got. I ordered it on July 24th, shipped on July 24th, and received it July 31st. And for my last recent order from YesStyle, I ordered it on July 28th, shipped on July 29th, and received it August 8th. I got the Anua Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 40% serum. This product was everywhere and I decided to get it. It targets hyperpigmentation and fade dark spots and acne scars. Contains alpha-arbutin to brighten and even skin tone, as well as hyaluronic acid and botanical oils to moisturize and soothe the skin. Next, I got the Sun by Me AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Acne Clear Foam. Again, for my acne, it's an acne clearing cleanser that combines AHA, BHA, and PHA with a proprietary blend of skin calming ingredients for clean and healthy skin. I can't wait to try this. And last but not least, I got the Abib Acne Foam Cleanser. I couldn't choose between the Sun by Me and the Abib, so I got both. It's a gentle cleanser that contains salicylic acid to fight blackheads and skin troubles, and Centella asiatica extract to help soothe skin. Look at this packaging. I can't wait. These are all the products that I ordered from YesStyle so far. I can't wait to try all of them. Go watch all my other Korean skincare videos. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these products. Like the video and subscribe for more Korean skincare content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!